Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about lighters. Not just any lighters, but long lighters. Now, a lot of people, tell you this story either, like Zippos or the little small Bic lighters, get a bunch of those. Well, I guarantee you don't want to use a Zippo or one of the small Bic lighters trying to start a fire. You want something that has a little bit of reach in there, especially if you're doing like a barbecue grill with propane and you want to reach in there to get it lit so you don't singe your hand. Long lighters are not an option to be without. If you want to have them, you're going to need them. There's a lot of times these will work a lot better than the others will, especially if you need to light candles. You're lighting candles and stuff around to light the house, reaching up in to light a oil lamp or whatever. These things are indispensable. They also make these that are refillable as well. And you can get them in multi-packs. I got this one several years ago when we bought this house, and I'm on the second one right now. So this is will be the third winter that we've been burning in here. So it lasted a good deal of time to start a fire quickly and easily. All right? Remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, lighters. And before I take off, one final thing is I'm going to put a link to a video right up here you should be interested in. I'll put a playlist down here. I will put another video over here, and I'll put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound, my garden and homesteading channel, up here. See you around.